This video is about the importance of digital transformation for the success and survival of your business. In these days, everybody, be it individuals, employees, businesses, startups, research institutes, corporations, or governments, are talking about the digital transformation. A good part of the reason is that it is a necessary element for the success and survival of any business today. So far, the excellent part of the story is awareness not only exists but is also growing among the stakeholders. Now, what is digital transformation? Digital transformation can mean different things to different companies. The biggest misconception arises when it comes to differentiate between digitization, digitalization, and digital transformation. We hear and see that many companies simply use enhanced IT services or digital technologies and call it digital transformation. For the sake of clarity, digital transformation pyramid is a common ground to understand and differentiate between all these different terminologies. The two bottom layers in this pyramid, digitization and digitalization, are not new and have been existing for many decades. For example, digitization started back in 1940s with the invention of first transistor. The leveraging of digitization technology is called digitalization, and we have lived through the era of digitalization in the form of personal computers, laptops, initially mobile phones and smartphones, cameras, etc. In short, it's the saturation of digitization and digitalization which led to the new wave of digital transformation, and it all started around 2010 or 2012. So, cutting long story short, these two technologies, digitization and digitalization, lay the foundation stone for the digital transformation. Now let's speak about the digital transformation. Digital transformation is about scrapping the traditional approaches and creating value for both business and its customer by fully utilizing the full potential of digitization and digitalization. It is a blend of technologies and business strategy. Both must be right to reach the goal post. In your digital transformation business model, the technology must not be merely a supporting function, but it should be defined as a strategic competence. And building a strategic competence needs passion and time. You should have heard the story of rabbit and turtle. Similarly here, you need steadiness and focus to win the race, where each and every step is crucial, and you have to win the race at your own pace. What does it mean? It means you cannot buy an off-the-shelf technology and complete the journey. What you need here is professionals who can help you to build this strategic competence. So let's conclude the discussion. While the pace of technology development is overwhelming and your customer needs quality and value, you can focus on your business model, and we connect the dots between emerging technologies and your business model.